doesn't like toho with its gelatin-like texture topped with sweet syrup and sago? Nako, napakasarap talaga nito. Kaya naman, everywhere we go in the Philippines, meron dito. Meron dyan sa streets, meron dyan sa restaurants. Talagang favorite ito ng maraming tao. Pero did you know that we could also eat the sweet taho that we know, the savory-like dish? And that's what I'm gonna be making today. For today, I'll be making my savory taho, and to join me as my special guest is no other than actress Ms. Giselle Sanchez. Hi, Giselle!
Marvy, how
Hi,
are
welcome
you?
to Quick Fire. Are you ready to cook with me now?
Yes!
Ready
At sinabi mo kanina, taho, I love
You love taho?
It's my comfort food.
Ayan. For a lot of people,
Yes.
comfort food nila yan.
Oo, tsaka yan talagang hinahanap-hanap ko tuwing alas 3. Kaya buti na lang, may dumadaan sa ano namin. Just sa sabi ko, taho!
Okay,
Ganon.
so for today, gagawa tayo ng savory taho. To everybody watching, set your timers and we're gonna start cooking.
Yes.
Yan. For now, gagawin muna natin ng savory taho. Sige, inito na natin ating pan.
Sige.
Marunong ka ba magluto?
Oo,
Do you
marunong
cook?
ako.
Marunong ka
Oo.
mag-chop?
Ito, di ba shiitake yan?
Yes. You know how? Sige, I'll show you first.
Oh, sige, sige.
Tanggalin muna natin yung ating stems. This is shiitake
Yes.
mushroom. Tastes woody. Medyo earthy yung kanyang lasa. Pero some people, they like the dried ones better kasi mas intense yung flavor. Yung dried ones, you just have to hydrate it in water.
Yes. Saka alam ko, pag dried, medyo kalahati lang kailangan natin, di ba? Because of the flavor,
Flavor,
masyadong
yes, very
infused
intense.
yung flavor ng mga dried
Yes.
na mga mushrooms.
And it could be used in a lot of things. Parang pwede mo siyang gamitin sa soups.
Ako na gagawa
Sige,
yan.
ikaw na nagagawa.
Sige.
Just chop the other ingredients first. Napaka-sexing buntis naman ito. Naloka naman ako, you're so sexy.
Pero alam mo kung sasabihin mo nga, naglilihi ako sa taho ako maglilihi. Kasi
Talaga?
it's very, very nutritious and delicious as well.
That's true.
Ganyan. Very rich to in protein
Yes,
and hindi masyadong walang fats, di ba?
Yes. Okay, we have here our sesame oil yun sa ating pan. And our asparagus. Ang asparagus naman, parang we're gonna use it as topping.
Yes.
It's rich in folate also, which
Ay,
is good for you.
Oo, folic
Diba?
acid, sobrang kailangan niya ng buntis.
Yeah.
Parang, sinadya niyo talaga itong
Hindi naman, eksakto lang naman. We have here our shallots. Ito naman yung parang baby onions.
Yes.
Pero it's sweeter. It has a sweeter taste. This is actually very popular when it comes to when you make salad. Pero
Oo.
actually itong itsura niya, it doesn't look like onions kasi para siyang naka-form into clusters. It looks
Correct.
like garlic clove. Sibuyas Tagalog when you look for this in the supermarket. or in the
sibuyas
market.
Tagalog. Alright, pwede na yan?
Yep.
Alright.
Let's add more ginger.
Luya. Ito.
Yep.
Okay.
Serve this as topping later.
May lilit lang ba yung slices
Yes.
ng luya natin? Okay.
So, instead of the sweet sauce that we all know, when you talk about taho, ito yung gagamitin natin.
Oo.
Okay, let's get our sesame oil.
Ang bango-bango ng sesame oil.
Yes, diba?
Talagang,
Very aromatic yung ano niya, yung amoy.
So, yun lang talaga ang kailangan. Yung tofu natin,
Yes.
asparagus, shiitake mushrooms, shallots or sibuyas,
Tagalog, and
at ginger.
Yep.
Uy, ang dali-dali naman palang gawin yun. Mape-prepare ko yun para sa asawa at anak ko yan.
And it's something new talaga na I'm sure magugulat sila parang pwede pala itong taho ng ganito.
Oo nga eh.
Kailangan lang yan, masutain ng maayos.
Oo. What is that? Ano
This is
yan?
for adding chicken stock.
Okay.
Ito yung ating miso.
Uy, masarap ang miso.
Masarap yan. It's really known when you talk about Japanese food, kilala sila doon. Ginagamit siya for soup, sauces, mga spreads.
Ano naman ang nutritional value ng miso?
It's rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals.
Ay, okay na okay sa baby din yan.
Oo, okay talaga yan. Let's add some rice wine vinegar. A little of this lang. Okay. Mga half nun. And some soy sauce. Okay, let's put a little first and then we could always adjust naman towards the end.
Oo.
It's better na konti-konti lang ang nilalagay natin when we cook kaysa naman yung tipong mas nasobrahan, mas mahirapan ka ng habulin eh.
So, kailangan bang pakuluan tong...
And simmer lang siya.
simmer lang siya.
Yan.
So, hindi talaga kailangan...
Not naman boiling. Parang yan, slow simmer. Now I'm gonna add our Ajinomoto Umami Super Seasoning.
Yan, ang
Ayan,
pampasarap.
diba? Yes,
diba?
mothers have been using Ajinomoto for over 100 years now to make our
Wow.
food taste delicious by adding the umami taste. Have you heard about the umami taste?
Hindi ko. Ngayon ko lang narinig
Yan ang
umami.
sinasabi na, pag sinabing umami, malinamnam. Makes our food really delicious. We have here a mixture of water and cornstarch, which is called the slurry.
Mas masarap talaga yung soup na medyo malapot-lapot.
Yes. Let's just stir it some more. You got
Oh,
the
ready and
strainer
strainer.
ready, thank you. Diyan lang natin ilagay.
Dito lang.
Thank you.
Para ma-strain yung mga
Yeah,
ibang buo-buo na miso,
Yep.
no?
And I'm ready to plate. Kunin na natin yan. I'll serve the taho in martini glass.
Wow! Ang social naman
Diba?
niya. Yun ang marka ng isang magaling na cook. Ay, papaano mag-plate ng maayos.
Yes. Ayan, let's just pour some of the syrup here.
Napaka-saucy naman itong recipe na to with a magic martini glass.
We have here, ito na yung ating tofu.
Okay. So, hindi pala kailangan niluluto yung tofu.
No, you don't have to. Let's just place it.
So, galing lang yan fresh from the refrigerator.
Yep. Nabibili lang to sa inyong mga groceries. It's available and it comes in different textures. Merong ito. This one is the soft. Merong firm.
So, nakasulat lang tofu, di ba? Ganun lang, no? Tofu.
Hanapin
hindi
nyo na
taho.
lang.
Huwag mo kayo maghanap ng taho.
Yes.
Ayan.
This is different.
Yes.
Yan. This one is may silken tofu rin.
Yes.
There.
So, ito yung silken.
Yeah, this one. Let's get our topping.
Ay, nako. Parang
Ayan.
sarap-sarap
I'll just use
naman
my hands.
ito.
My hands are clean.
Yes.
Don't worry. Let's use to get our mushroom.
Isang napaka-social na appetizer.
Yes. And let's get our wansui.
Oo. Siguro mga itong 1 glass na to, less than 100 pesos
Less
lang
yan.
to.
Oo naman. Less,
Oo
mga
naman.
20 pesos.
Oh, talaga?
Oo, ganyan lang yan.
20 pesos
Less
lang
pa,
yan?
Oo. There.
Ayan na! In
Tapos
less
na.
than 10 minutes
Less than 10
na
minutes,
daw.
tapos na. And there you have it. My savory taho. Yeah. Done in less
Yes.
than 10 minutes.
And now I
Here.
will eat it in less than 1 minute.
Okay, let's go. Ayan, go ahead to sell and eat our savory to. At habang kinakain mo yan,
Sarap!
paalala ko nga lang pala sa mga quick fire foodies na itong dish na to, bagay ito dun sa ginawa ko nung season 2 with Valerie Tan, yung aking tempting tempura. And I have a write-in. Ang sinulat niya dito, "Hey, good day. I'm Ferdy of Cebu. I would like to know the real story behind monosodium glutamate. One radio station here said that MSG is not good for your health. This bothers me a lot. Is it true? Thanks." Okay, this is
Gusto ko
from...
malaman din yun.
Okay.
Oo.
It's from Cebu, from Ferdy. Ang MSG, ang monosodium glutamate, you don't have to be afraid. It's really safe. Marami ng studies conducted by US FDA, ng American Medical Association, pati ng World Health Organization. Marami silang mga scientific studies na ginawa para malaman kung safe ito, and it's been proven safe. And
great.
also, if you're on a diet, and also if you're on a diet, ito rin magandang news. This is a good alternative to salt because it only contains 30% of the sodium content of table salt.
Ay, maganda
So, mas
yan.
okay, mas ma-reduce niyo yung inyong sodium intake. And lahat to natural. It's all natural because it comes from glutamates. And na tayo, meron din tayong glutamates. We have foods
Correct.
that contain glutamates.
okay
So,
pala
this is
sa
safe.
buntis.
Yes. So, okay yan talaga.
Oo, dahil kasi nakalahati ko na.
Yan. So, sana naman, Ferdy, ay nasagot ko yung tanong. Monosodium glutamate is indeed safe, so you don't have to worry about anything. How is the food naman?
Ay,
How is
so
it?
good. Sabi ko sa'yo, I can finish this in 1 minute. Your meal in 10 minutes
Ikaw, 10
will be
minutes.
done in 1 minute.
Okay, salamat. Sana bumalik ako dito sa show.
Yes!
Balik ako
Oo,
ulit.
feeling ko babalik ako kasi makikikain ako. Bibisita lang ako para makikain.
Okay. Thanks, Giselle.
Thank you.
Quickfire would like to thank the following. Vika for our cookware, Princess for our small appliances, Oxo Good Grips for our knives and kitchen gadgets, Alba for our cooking appliances, Cubix for our modular kitchen, Blims for our furniture, Saver Supply and Depot for our home appliances, SNR membership shopping for your world-class shopping experience, Ace Hardware for our paint and building materials. And we'd like to thank Purple and Blue Grill and Restaurant. Make savory taho dishes even more special with Ajinomoto Umami Super Seasoning. Nakita niyo naman, posible pala ang taho pwedeng gawing savory. So try this at home and I'm sure that your family and your kids will love it. So join me again next time, only here on Quickfire, your 10-minute kitchen wonders. Umami, umami.